Hi, good morning everyone. Welcome back to Coding Hives. This is Rasina with you. Hope you all are doing great. So in today's video, we are going to learn one function in dictionary that we are using Dict.fromkeys. Okay. In Python, a dictionary is a collection of key value pairs. For example, if you have a dictionary of fruits and their colors, it will look like this, okay? Like it have a key as apple and this is the value, okay? So this key value pair is a dictionaries, okay? So here, if you want to create a new dictionary with some keys, but we want all of them to have the same value. So in that case, we can use this dict.fromkeys. Okay. Let us say we have a list of fruit names and we want to create a dictionary from that where all these fruits have the same value like unknown. So how can we implement that using this dict.fromkeys? Okay. So for that, I will create one list named fruit names. Okay. And in that list, I will add apple, banana, then grapes. Okay, I'm going to do this dict.from keys. Okay, so for that I can make a create a dictionary like fruit dictionary. Okay, then I am going to do that like dict dot then from keys, right? Dict dot from keys. So first argument will be the list. Okay, so here I can copy this list, then I will paste here. Then here we can give the default value. So as I told, I am just simply giving unknown. Okay, I now don't know what is the color of that fruits. So I'm just giving unknown. Okay, so when I'm going to print this thing, so when I'm going to print this, you can see like we get apple, banana, and grapes as keys from this list, and the values are unknown. Clear? Here we created a dictionary where each fruit name from our list is a key and all the values are set to unknown. Okay. So you can quickly create a dictionary with multiple keys and a default value in just one line of code. So this is super useful when you need to initialize a dictionary without having to loop. So we can implement this thing. Okay. Now you may have some doubt like what will happen if we use dict.from keys without providing a default value? Okay, I'm not giving any default value here. Default value is unknown. If we are not giving that, what will be the output? Okay, that I will show here. I will copy the same code and I will just remove this thing. Like we are not giving default value, and I am changing the name to default. Okay, here also. Okay, so now I'm going to run this code. You can see if we are not giving this default value, we are getting none, right? So as you can see, every fruit name is a key in the dictionary, and since we didn't provide a default value, all the values are set to none. So this can be helpful when you want to initialize keys without assigning a specific value right away. Okay. Now we will create a program to track scores for players in a game. Scores for players in a game. Okay. So here I have a list of players in the game. For example, I have a list like players and the initial, I mean, the people names are Anna, Bobby, then Minu. Okay. So these are the players' name. Then I am going to create a dictionary named as scores. Okay, this is my dictionary named as scores. Then we'll know how to create a dictionary from a list with some default value, right? So for that we can use dict.from case, and the first argument will be the list, right? Then I can give the default value. Here I am giving the default value as 0. Clear? So now we did this much only. Just I will print this thing. So it will show the names with the score 0. Okay, you can see clear. So this way we just created a dictionary with the default value 0. Now I want to update the scores of each players. Okay, now we will write a function to update a player's score. Okay, so for that I will write a function def update score. Okay, then I will pass the player, I mean the player name, then the score or point I want to add. Okay, so it will give a variable name points. Now I need to check if the passing a player is in our score, right? If player in scores, then we need to we need to add the point, right? So plus equal to point. So initially when the value will be, initially we assign the value as 0, right? So once if we are passing 5 as the point will be 0 plus 5. That means 5. Okay. If the player is not there, what we can say like the player is not found or something, right? So print, we can use a string like player not found. Okay, clear. So this is a function to update the points. Now outside the loop, how we can access this function? For example, I want to update score for Anna. Okay, I'm giving Anna's score as 10. Okay, clear. Now if I'm going to print our scores dictionary, if I'm going to print our scores dictionary, you can see we got something like this. Anna is now got 10 score, Bobby got 0 score, Minu got 0 score. Clear? Because we only added for Anna, right? So if I'm giving something like person which is not in this dictionary, okay? For example, Sam, and I'm going running this, you can say like Sam not found. Okay, I hope you got the idea how this is working. So the dict.fromkey method take two arguments, a list of keys and an optional default value. If you don't provide a default value, the dictionary will initialize all values to none. In our examples, we created dictionaries with specific values and also with none, so that you will get a better clarity how this works, right? So that's it for today's video. Thank you for watching. Have a nice day.